We were overdue for a little check-in session. For those of you who might be new to my world, I want to do a little recap of my secret to getting good at art from someone who was not born an artist, didn't even wanted anything to do with it till I was a mom of 3 kids. Then it came on my radar. And this is my secret to getting good fast. Number 1, fun. You gotta have fun, guys. It's just like anything. If you're not having fun, you're not gonna want to do it. And stop. Second, attitude. Attitude is actually, it's second because it's that important. If you're super down and bummed and disappointed, you're not going to practice. You're going to quit. And then guess what? When you quit, you're not going to get good. All right, so that's 2. The third one, FAR, repetition. Well, if you are having fun and you do have a good attitude, you're going to do it more. And so that in and of itself is repetition. So what happens when you repeat? You get practice, you get good. Okay, this is not rocket science. Last one is T, technique. Okay, so there are techniques, and that's where I come in. So if you show up, I also bring the fun. You come with your good attitude. You're going to do the lessons, so you're repeating what you're learning, and you're learning those techniques. You're going to have success. There's no way around it because you can't get worse with more practice. Okay, guys? So if you forget any of those things, what did you say? Just remember farts. That's the acronym. We have fun, attitude, repetition techniques. And if you follow all of those things in that order, fun has got to be 1 and attitude is right up there next to number 1, you will have success. That's my secret sauce, baby. And if I can do it, so can you.